This is a hip hop Paula Abdul Running Man tutorial. So it's going to be a really fun cardio workout. Call it a HIIT workout, high intensity interval training. So I'll show you the moves and we'll just little breaks in between. And right now we're just going to start with this warm up, just stretching out those calves, keeping it dynamic, which means I'm just moving. All right, now from here, let's just stay in this stance, this calf stretch, and then I'm going to lift that back heel up and down 8 times because we're going to do a lot of jumping. 3, 4, we're going to go for 8 and 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, other side, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, alternating step, knee, and step, knee. Just step back. So it's just step, knee, step, 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 knee, step, step. So I'm just stepping back. And this is just kind of, if you get this, you'll figure out how to do the running man, but I'm going a little fast, so I'll go a little slower. So knee, step, step, knee, step, 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 knee, just alternating. Okay, and for those of you who are really good at dance and getting the moves very quickly, don't worry, it's coming. I'll get your heart pumping, a lot of calories burning. All right, so now we're going to do a step, knee, hop, and we're going to alternate. So step, knee, hop. Step, knee, hop.
Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice way.
So whether this is like super easy for you to grasp or not, don't worry about it. We're gonna do a lot of practice. So the next one, we're gonna do a step, knee, hop, same thing, but we're gonna slide the front foot back and then we're gonna alternate. So it looks like this. So we're gonna step, knee, and then we're gonna slide this foot backwards. And then we're gonna go, so you're gonna go here, this foot goes down, and immediately the opposite leg comes up, sliding this one back. Down, jump, slide, okay? So, you ready? Let's do it. Next, we'll do the same running man at tempo, so a little bit faster. And then after that, we're gonna add the arms. So you can do whatever you want with the arms. You can keep it on your hips like I have, or you could just let them dangle. So I'm gonna just let them dangle and do whatever they want. So let's go ahead and do it at tempo.
My pillow feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Now let's do it with circle arms. So just take your arms and just do circles like this. And then we'll go ahead and add the running man foot movement. All right? Now that we did circle arms, let's do opposite arms. So alternating arms. Alternating punching arms. So opposite knee, Opposite arms. You could always punch both if you'd like, if you don't want to remember. So your choice. I'm going to do opposing arms. Ready? Next up, let's do an arm cross. Now you can alternate which arm goes on top. But people probably aren't going to really notice the difference, whether you're just doing the same one or if you're alternating. So right now I'm alternating, and then now I'm just doing the same one on top. So not much of a difference unless you're really looking for it. So we're going to do the same thing, crossing at the wrist with a running man move. Arm variation we're going to try is a push away. So you can do 2 at once, or you can do alternating. Okay, so kind of like before, you can do 2 or 1. So I'm going to do, so it looks like this in slow motion. So my hand is flexed, my fingers are spread out wide. And you'll notice that when I'm doing the running man move, my torso is going a little bit forward, but I'm kind of leaning back as well. And you'll notice that I've gone in different directions. So you can just stay right here, or you can travel like I did. The only reason why I was kind of traveling from side to side is so you could see the side view and see my feet better. And yeah, my heart rate is up. So this is the last move, and then I'll give you a nice fun cool down. All right, remember, so it's either this one or this, okay? This one or, all right, let's do this. Made it all the way through. Awesome. Let's cool down with some alternating V steps. V right, V step left. So if you're mirroring me, it would be the opposite. This would be your left, and this would be your right. So is your heart rate through the roof, or are you ready for more? Well, I need a little break. So this is the cool down that I like. I like V steps. They're a good cool down exercise. And then let's do some calf stretches, because we worked a lot of our calves. A lot of jumping, for sure. All right, let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Right calf back. Now make sure that, look down at your toes, make sure they are pointing straight. That back heel is digging into the ground. If that calf is lifted, it's not going to get a stretch. And if you need more of a stretch, you just lean more forward, or you can bring that front foot even more forward, more in front. Again, digging that back heel into that floor. And if you want more of a stretch, you can take this butt cheek, squeeze it, and then hinge forward a little bit more. Woohoo! That is a good stretch. All right, other side. Stretching out the other calf muscle. And again, I like to look down at my toes. Are they in line? Like, I'll see people with it. They're kind of like this. They're angled and they don't realize it. So again, and if it's easier to balance by separating the feet, do that. And then just stretch. So where you feel it, don't go crazy, because you don't want to tear those calf muscles. That would be icky. All right. And then if you want a nice little inner thigh stretch, toes pointed toward me, lean to the side, hinge backwards. Knee, try not to let it go over the toe on this one. Center. Side, center. We're going to finish with a jump, arms crossing in front, like you're removing a sweater, and then you're going to jump your feet together. All right, ready and go. Great job. Hope you like this workout, and I hope to see you soon.